Hey everybody, today Lisa and I, we are on the Holland America New Amsterdam. We're on the Verandah deck, which is deck 5. Now I point that out because publicly, before you get on the ship, all you see is the name of the decks. There's no numbers associated with it, but the Verandah deck is actually deck 5. As you see, this is all passenger cabins, so we're going to point out where your cabin is in relationship to stairs, elevators, crew doors, and anything you might need to know. Now, if you've never watched us do one of these videos, I cannot turn the camera for you to see all the doors or the door numbers. If I did, you'd get seasick. So I'm going to call out the numbers and point with my finger. Also, do us a huge favor. When you see and or hear your number or your cabin called, do us a favor. Leave a comment below and let us know when you're sailing on the Nieuw Amsterdam. Also, I want to point out at all the elevators, they have a different color carpet. They have the ship pointing forward and the word forward on the, I love it because it's very easy to navigate. Okay, so let's get going. 5043, forward. Crew door, which is the steward station. 41, 39, crew door. 37, 35. This is a crew door, but it's a pantry ice station. They do a lot of cleaning in there, so that could be a little bit loud in this area. 33, crew door. 31, 29, 27, 25, 23, 21, 19, 17. Oh, that looks familiar. That's our cabin, 5017. 15, 13, 11, 9, 7, 5, 3, 1 with a crew door. This is also crew only up here. I'm not lying to you. I forgot we were on our deck. I saw that. I'm like, oh, that looks familiar.
I did.
And then I saw the number. I'm like, oh my God, that's our cabin. Anyway, emergency exit and some crew doors. We're crossing over to the other side of the ship. I love that they have that passageway there so we can do that. Crew door, 5002. And the steward station is right across from that, okay? 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36, 38, crew door 40, 42, 44, steward station, 46, which is directly accessible to the stairs and elevators here at the front. 48, 50, crew door, 52 and 54. 56, 58, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, crew door 70, 72, 74, another one of those pantry ice stations directly across from 5076. Steward station 78, crew door 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 92, 94, 96, crew door 98. We're now at midship elevators and stairs. Elevators, elevators, stairs, and there's elevators that way too. It's weird to have elevators off to the right. I haven't gotten used to that yet. 5100, 102, steward station and a crew door, 104, 106 and 108, 110, crew door, 112, 114 and 16, 118 and 20, 122, 124, 126 and 28, 130 and 32, 134 and 36, 138, crew door, 140, 142, crew door, 144, steward station, which is a crew door. Again, we're now at the aft elevators and stairs, okay? Aft elevators and stairs. Oh, I love that somebody parked their scooter there. I'm assuming they parked it there because that's the only place they could get power to charge it. Again, remember the carpet change, pointing forward this way, but we're going to the back. 146, 148. Wish all ships had that carpet that way, because that is really helps you navigate the ship, knowing which way, because when you don't know which way you're going. But I love that. Sorry, 148. 150 and 152, secondary access to the aft elevators and stairs with a crew door. 154, 156 and 58, 160, 62 and 64, 166, 68 and 70, crew door, steward station across from 172, 174, 176, 178, crew door, 180 across from the pantry, 182, 184, 186, 188, 190, we're all the way in the back of the ship now, 192, crossing over, odd, 93, 191, 189 and 87, 85, 83, 181, 79 and 77, 175, 73 and 71, 169, 67 and 65, 163, 61, 59, 157 and 55 and 53, 151, 49, 147, secondary entrance to the aft elevators and stairs, 145, 143, 141, main entrance to the aft elevators and stairs. Steward station, 139 with the pantry ice station across from 137 and 135. Nice brog. Crew door, 133, 131, 129, crew door, 127, 125, 123, 121, 119, 117, 115, 113, 111, 109, 107, 105, 103, 101, 99, crew door, 97, 95, midship elevators and stairs. Right here, everybody. 93, crew door, 91, 89, 87, 85, 83, 81, 79, 77, 75, crew door, 73, 71 across from the ice pantry, 69, crew door 67, 65, 63, 61, 59, 57, 55, crew door 53, 51, 49, crew door 47, 45, and 5043, which is right where we started here at the front of the ship. So again, don't forget to let us know in the comments below that you saw and heard your door and when you're sailing on the beautiful Holland America New Amsterdam. Until we see you on another deck or another ship, be safe. Ciao!